Welcome to iTCA, Malware Analysis Complete Beginner's Guide. Imagine waking up one morning, turning on your laptop, and seeing a strange message. Your files have been encrypted. Pay $500 in Bitcoin to get them back. That's not a sci-fi movie scene, that's ransomware. And it happens to real people, businesses, and even governments every single day. From hospitals shutting down critical systems to entire cities being locked out of their own networks. Malware attacks are no longer rare events. They're the most common threat in our digital world. And the bad guys? They keep getting smarter, using AI-powered malware, fileless attacks, and even targeting smart devices in our homes. Why this course matters? Here's the truth. Malware is the weapon of choice for cybercriminals. For individuals, it can mean losing personal files, photos, and privacy. For businesses, it can lead to financial loss, data breaches, and destroyed reputations. And for governments, it can cripple critical infrastructure and even threaten national security. That's why learning malware analysis is so important. It gives you the skills to identify threats early, understand how malware works, strengthen defenses before it's too late. With cyber attacks evolving every day, staying ahead isn't optional, it's survival. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand what malware is and why it's so dangerous, identify different malware types and behaviors, detect and analyze malware using practical tools and techniques, implement prevention strategies to protect yourself, your organization, or even national systems. Connect malware analysis to real-world cybersecurity practices for proactive defense. What you'll learn, learning outcomes. We're keeping it practical. You'll learn to recognize malware symptoms before it spreads, classify malware like viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware, know basic static and dynamic analysis, understand real-world tools like IDA Pro, Ghidra, Cuckoo Sandbox, Volatility, and Virus Total. Develop proactive defense strategies based on real-life case studies. Look, malware analysis isn't just for cybersecurity pros, it's for anyone who wants to stay safe in the digital world. By learning it, you're building the skills to anticipate, identify, and neutralize threats before they cause damage. So, are you ready to become the one who spots the threat before it strikes? In the next video, we'll start at the very beginning. What exactly is malware and why should you care? Let's find out.